Have you ever pondered over the question, what if the tiniest particles in the universe hold the key to understanding the cosmos? It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? To think that the smallest entities in existence could be the gateway to comprehending the vastness of the universe. This idea brings us to the concept of the quantum realm. Now, you've probably heard the term quantum thrown around a lot in popular culture, but what does it really mean? In essence, the quantum realm is a domain of the universe that operates at a scale much smaller than atoms. We're talking about the world of subatomic particles here, the smallest known particles in existence. This realm is the stage on which quantum physics plays out, a field of study that seeks to understand the behavior of these minuscule particles. But here's the thing. The quantum realm is strange. It's not just a scaled-down version of the world as we know it. No, it's much more mysterious and counterintuitive than that. Particles in the quantum realm don't behave like larger particles do. They can be in multiple places at once, and they can be entangled with each other over vast distances, and they can even pop in and out of existence. It's a realm where the rules of classical physics that we're familiar with simply don't apply. This might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's real. Scientists have been studying the quantum realm for over a century. And while we've made some incredible discoveries, there's still so much we don't understand. The quantum realm is like a locked box, full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. And that's where the true intrigue lies, because if we can comprehend the quantum realm, if we can unlock that box, then we may just be able to unlock the secrets of the universe. Imagine what we could achieve with such knowledge. It's a tantalizing prospect, and one that drives scientists and spiritual seekers alike to probe the mysteries of the quantum realm. If we can comprehend the quantum realm, we may just be able to unlock the secrets of the universe. To understand the quantum realm, imagine a world where the rules of standard physics don't apply. Think of quantum reality as an otherworldly game of chess. You're familiar with the conventional game, where each piece moves according to set rules. Now picture a quantum chess game, where each piece has the potential to move like any other piece on the board. This is a nod to the concept of quantum superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states at once. They're not just a pawn or a knight, they're both and everything in between until they're observed or measured. Only then do they snap into one definitive state. Now let's introduce another player into this quantum chess match. This player is halfway across the universe, but they're playing the same game with you. When you move a piece, one of their pieces reacts instantaneously, as if connected by an invisible thread. This is quantum entanglement, where particles become intertwined, their states directly influencing each other, regardless of the distance between them. It's a bit like having a pair of magical dice. When you roll them, no matter how far apart they are, they always land on matching numbers. This doesn't make sense in our everyday world, but in the quantum realm, it's the norm. You see, in this realm, everything is interconnected. It's a cosmic web of potentialities, where every action, every observation influences the state of the universe. It's like a cosmic tapestry, where every thread, no matter how distant, is connected to another. And here's the kicker. In this realm, time and space become fluid, less like a steady river and more like a vast ocean with waves and currents that can move in any direction. This means that events can potentially influence each other regardless of when or where they occur. In the quantum realm, reality is a game of probabilities, not certainties. It's a place of infinite possibilities where the act of observation can transform potential into reality. It's a mystical dance of creation where every moment is an interplay of the observed and the observer, the known and the unknown. Now imagine a universe where seemingly unrelated events are intricately linked, creating meaningful coincidences. Have you ever thought about someone and, at that very moment, they call you? Or perhaps you've been pondering over a problem and suddenly you stumble upon a book that provides the exact solution you've been seeking. These are not mere happenstances, they are synchronicities. Synchronicities, a term coined by Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung, refer to the meaningful coincidence of two or more events where something other than the probability of chance is involved. According to Jung, these synchronicities suggest an underlying pattern, a conceptual framework that encompasses, but is larger than any of the systems that display the synchronicity. Now let's dive a little deeper. How does this relate to the quantum realm? Well, quantum theory suggests that everything in the universe is interconnected at a deep and fundamental level. This is due to a phenomenon known as entanglement, where particles that have interacted with each other become permanently correlated or dependent on each other's states and properties, regardless of how far apart they are. In essence, synchronicities can be considered as macroscopic manifestations of the phenomenon of entanglement. Just as particles are interconnected in the quantum realm, events in our lives too can be interconnected in mysterious yet meaningful ways. This might sound far-fetched, but let's think about it. If everything in the universe, including us, is made up of these quantum particles, then isn't it possible that we are all interconnected in ways we can't even begin to comprehend? Synchronicities suggest that there's a deeper layer of connection within the universe, an unseen web that links everything together. They hint at a world that is not ruled by randomness, but by meaningful coincidences. So the next time you experience a meaningful coincidence, remember it might not be a simple stroke of chance. It could be a sign, a message from the universe, subtly nudging you in a certain direction, or highlighting a hidden connection. Synchronicities are the universe's way of speaking to us through the language of coincidence. So how do the quantum realm and synchronicities intertwine? Now that's a question to ponder. As we delve deeper, we find that these two seemingly disparate concepts might be more connected than we initially thought. The quantum realm, with its particles that can exist in multiple states at once, and the phenomenon of synchronicities, where seemingly unrelated events occur simultaneously, may seem worlds apart. But what if they're not? What if the quantum realm is the backstage, pulling strings and creating the magic of synchronicities in our everyday lives? Think about it, the quantum realm is a world of probabilities. In this microscopic universe, particles can be in two places at the same time, only settling into one state when observed. It's a realm of potential, a realm of the undefined. Similarly, synchronicities are all about potential. They're unexpected coincidences that seem to defy logic, yet hold profound meaning for those who experience them. So, could the quantum realm be influencing these synchronicities? Could the state of quantum particles, uncertain until observed, be linked to the occurrence of synchronicities in our lives? Let's explore this idea a little further. Consider for a moment that every decision we make, every thought we have, is an act of observation that collapses the quantum wave function, bringing one possibility into reality. In this way, our conscious and subconscious minds could be constantly interacting with the quantum realm, shaping our reality and influencing the synchronicities we experience. However, the link between the quantum realm and synchronicities is not a one-way street. Just as quantum phenomena may influence synchronicities, synchronicities could also be influencing the quantum realm. Each synchronicity could be a ripple effect, a shift in the quantum field that further influences the state of quantum particles. The quantum realm and synchronicities might just be two sides of the same cosmic coin, each influencing the other, shaping our reality in ways we're just beginning to understand. It's a dance of the universe, a cosmic ballet where every step, every twirl, is a synchronicity born from the heart of the quantum realm. Can we, conscious beings, influence the quantum realm? This question has been the subject of much debate and research in the scientific community. Let's dive into the fascinating theories and experiments that suggest human consciousness might indeed have an effect on quantum phenomena. One of the most well-known theories in this regard is the observer effect, which is a cornerstone of quantum mechanics. This principle suggests that the mere act of observing a quantum system can change its state. In other words, the observer and the observed are intertwined in an intimate dance of existence, suggesting that our consciousness might play a role in shaping reality. Then we have the quantum Zeno effect. This paradoxical phenomenon suggests that a system can't change while it's being observed. It's as if the universe freezes under the watchful gaze of consciousness, again hinting at our potential influence over the quantum realm. But theories aren't enough, right? We need experimental evidence. Enter the famous double-slit experiment, which has been baffling scientists for over a century. When particles like electrons or photons are observed, they behave like particles. But when not observed, they behave like waves. This experiment suggests that conscious observation might indeed influence the behavior of quantum particles. Moreover, some studies have even suggested that meditative practices might have an influence on quantum realities. Researchers have found that experienced meditators can affect the behavior of light particles, hinting at the possibility that our minds might have more power over the physical world than we ever imagined. However, it's important to note that these theories and experiments are still subjects of ongoing research and debate. Quantum mechanics is a tricky field, filled with paradoxes and complexities that we are yet to fully understand. But one thing is certain: these scientific endeavors are pushing the boundaries of our understanding, challenging our perceptions, and opening up new possibilities for human potential. So, the next time you find yourself pondering over the fabric of reality, remember this: our minds might have more power over reality than we ever thought possible. If we can influence the quantum realm, then can we also unlock synchronicities in our lives? This is the question that brings us to our next intriguing exploration: the unlocking of synchronicities. Let's begin by understanding that synchronicities are not just random occurrences. These are events that are connected by meaning, not by cause and effect. They are instances where the outer world mirrors our inner thoughts and emotions. So how can we invite more of these meaningful coincidences into our lives? The answer may lie in certain practices and mindsets. Picture this: the quantum realm is like a vast ocean, and we are like sailors. The more adept we become at navigating this ocean, the more likely we are to encounter synchronicities. First, consider mindfulness, the practice of being fully present and engaged in the current moment. Mindfulness helps us attune to the subtle nuances of life and the quantum realm. It's like turning up the volume on a radio to catch a faint signal. By being mindful, we can tune into the quantum realm more effectively. Next, we have openness to new experiences. Just as a sailor needs to be open to different routes in unexpected weather, we must be open to life's surprises. This openness allows us to perceive synchronicities that we might otherwise overlook. Finally, paying attention to patterns can be a powerful way to unlock synchronicities. Patterns are like signposts in the quantum realm, guiding us towards meaningful connections. By recognizing these patterns, we can become more attuned to the synchronicities around us. Now, it's important to remember that these practices are not about forcing synchronicities to occur. It's more about creating a receptive mindset. Think of it as setting the stage for a performance, but the performance itself is left up to the universe. In conclusion, unlocking synchronicities is not about bending the quantum realm to our will, but about becoming more attuned to its rhythms. By practicing mindfulness, being open to new experiences, and paying attention to patterns, we can become more receptive to the meaningful coincidences that life has to offer. By tuning into the quantum realm, we might be able to invite more synchronicities into our lives. So let's embark on this journey together and see where it leads us. What can we learn from all this? Let's unravel the threads of knowledge we've woven together. We've embarked on a fascinating journey, delving deep into the quantum realm's enigmatic nature. It's a world that defies our everyday logic, where subatomic particles can exist in multiple states at once, evolving and changing in response to observation. This realm is not just a distant, abstract concept, it's the very fabric of our reality, and understanding it is key to unraveling the mysteries of existence. We've also discovered the magic of synchronicities, those meaningful coincidences that seem too profound to be mere chance. They're the unexpected connections that make us pause, wonder, and perhaps even question the nature of reality itself. Synchronicities can be seen as a dance of the universe, a cosmic choreography that hints at a deeper, interconnected reality. We've explored the potential link between the quantum realm and synchronicities, a frontier of thought that raises intriguing questions. Could it be that the quantum realm, with its inherent uncertainty and potential, is the underlying canvas upon which synchronicities are painted? Could our conscious intentions be influencing the quantum dance, bringing about these meaningful coincidences? Finally, we've pondered on how we might influence both the quantum realm and synchronicities. Harnessing the power of focused intention, mindfulness, and alignment with our highest self, we might just be able to nudge the quantum world, to unlock synchronicities and tap into a deeper flow of life. While these ideas are still speculative and the scientific understanding continues to evolve, they open up fascinating possibilities. They invite us to see the world not as a collection of separate objects, but as a web of relationships, an intricate tapestry of interconnected phenomena. So where does this leave us? In a universe that's far more mysterious, far more magical, and far more interconnected than we ever could have imagined. Indeed, the quantum realm and synchronicities invite us to explore a universe far more mysterious and interconnected than we ever imagined.